All right, guys, I'm Colin Wayne, and I'm going to be unboxing something, and I have no clue what's inside. Stay tuned. So let's cut this sucker up and see what's inside. All right, guys, this is the most popular product on our website, redlinesteel.com. This is our Tree of Life, a beautiful black matte finish. Guys, we've sold over 100,000 of this exact same design. There's several different color options, but in this 9-inch version, which I'm going to show you its scale right here, right at 9 inches. This is our black finish, like I mentioned. We also have two other exclusive colors. Check this out. This is our bronze translucent finish, absolutely beautiful. And guys, in the comment section, let us know what color is your favorite. This is our blue translucent finish. Really, really nice, made from high quality American steel. Let me just show you. This is not tin. And to top it off, guys, this is powder coated, so you can put it outside or inside. So what are you waiting for? Click that link somewhere around this video and order yours today. Redlinesteel.com.